Okay, just a quick overview of what this assignment is about the beginning of the checkpoint 3. In this assignment that is entitled It's Okay to Be Stupid, what you're going to do here is you're going to actually read this article. And don't forget that in OneNote, you can go up here to the corner where you have those like little stacked books. You can close that so that the window opens, and you can actually, using your fingers, pinch the screen up so that you can see it better. That's a technique I use all the time in order to read better. My eyes are a little poor. Or you can actually click on the PDF that's inserted here and open it up so that it's on another screen. A lot of students will do that so that it opens up in their PDF reader like Acrobat, and then they can split screen their view so they're reading on one side and they're taking notes on the other. But your job will be on this, I'm going to zoom it back down a little bit, is that after you've read the article, you're going to answer these reflection questions that I have posted here. So what I would like you to do real easily is you click underneath the question, and it always helps me if you change the color of the font to blue. That way I can tell that you wrote it and it doesn't mix up with that. If you click right behind the question and type, it kind of messes up. So I always say click under the question to compose your answer. And the questions that you should be able to write here is, did you like it? I'll tell you right now, if you say yes or no and no explanation, it'll probably come back to you to be fixed. And then be detailed in as to what part stood out for number 2. Number 3, are you shocked by something that gets this, like this, that gets published in a scientific journal? Number 4, how can you take what you read and apply it? And then after you've read and answered those questions, I'd like you to answer these and be prepared that we may either digitally, like on a Padlet, or we may in class, depending when you're in class on the XY schedule, what did this paper suggest to you? What does it mean to you? How can this be applied as we progress through the semester? So again, always click underneath when you're doing that. So that's just a brief overview of this article by Martin Schwartz. And then go ahead and answer that. Now do note that in the complete checkpoint, there are these different assignments that have to be completed first. So if you complete that, I would just simply go up here and click a check mark that I'm done with that, so I can move on to the next assignment, which is called the outlining method, then the mapping, charting, and then Cornell notes. All of these 5 assignments have to be completed first. Again, just a reminder, before you can actually go to Summit and say you've completed checkpoint 3. It's a big checkpoint. This is a big one. Okay, good luck.